Reflection. The charge particle will continue in the same direction. When charge particle enters parallel to magnetic field.
So you've written all this, right?
Avda?
So you've written all this yesterday, right?
Yeah, we have done this yesterday. I'm just quickly going to the portion that we have to do. Just revising what was the last concept we did. When magnetic field is there and charge particle is moving parallel to it, it will not experience any force, so it will move on a straight line path. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I'm coming. Something. है ना इसके हमने कुछ questions करने थे. So based on these formula, the questions that the question that is asked here, please try this question. जैसे first one. Proton with energy enters uniform magnetic field. Normally, calculate the magnetic force. Magnetic force is Q VB sin theta. Yes, solve this question number 33 and just come in. Yes, done. क्या है आंसर हजाज क्यों नहीं गया चैप्टर दिक्कत अच्छा नेक्स्ट वीक पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा किसी का आ गया आंसर ये प्रोटॉन विद एनर्जी इंटर्स यूनिफॉर्म magnetic field normally the magnetic force formula is QVB.
So how do we change EP into Newton?
सर हो गया
Omega is 10 to the power 6. Raj. Ten to the power 6 and electron volt is 1.6 10 to the power minus 19.
Sir, 8 into 10 to the 12 to the power minus 10.
So electron volt is basically charge of an electron into 1 volt, right?
सर हो गया अब
गूगल देवता जिंदाबाद बेटे आधी डिग्रियां ऐसी मिल गई 2 साल में, लोग इंजीनियर बन गए गूगल के सहारे।
सर ऑप्शंस दिखा दोगे एक बार?
Yes, boss. Got the answer?
यस
Got
सर।
the answer? Okay, क्या है आंसर बेटा?
सर सी पार्ट है।
C part. Okay. Right. Okay. ठीक है। चार्ज पार्टिकल मूव्स इन दिस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। चलो ये तो अभी हम पहुंचेंगे, अभी यहाँ पे पहुंचे नहीं है। एंड एक और पहला क्वेश्चन था, यस दिस इज आल्सो बेस्ड ऑन, वेरी गुड। सो पहला केस था चार्ज पार्टिकल एंटर्स पैरेलल टू मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, इट मूव्स इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन। सेकंड था व्हेन चार्ज पार्टिकल मूव्स परपेंडिकुलर टू मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, व्हेन चार्ज पार्टिकल मूव्स परपेंडिकुलर टू मैग्नेटिक फील्ड। अगर चार्ज पार्टिकल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के परपेंडिकुलर मूव करता है, perpendicular to magnetic field, then what will be the possible path? As we discussed from the property of magnetic force, since magnetic force is given as Q into V cross P, cross product is always perpendicular to both the vectors. So force is perpendicular to velocity, acceleration is perpendicular to velocity, F is along V cross B। ये सारी चीजें हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, बस पाथ के फॉर्म में वी आर नाउ डिस्कसिंग इट अगेन। व्हाट आर द करस्पॉन्डिंग पाथ? सो फोर्स वेलोसिटी के परपेंडिकुलर, एक्सेलरेशन वेलोसिटी के परपेंडिकुलर। दैट मींस अगर कोई चार्ज पार्टिकल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में मूव करता है, force and velocity are perpendicular, means force and displacement are perpendicular, the work done will be zero, power delivered will be zero. Power delivered by any magnetic force is always zero, since force is perpendicular to velocity. Acceleration is perpendicular to velocity. अगर force velocity के perpendicular हो, then work done is zero. Work done zero means kinetic energy change will be zero. Kinetic energy remains constant. ये सारी चीजें हम कर चुके हैं last class में discuss. Kinetic energy is constant, means speed is constant, so it will be performing a uniform circular motion. Speed is same. Speed is same at every point, so it will be moving on a circular path, और circle पे move करने के लिए चाहिए centripetal force. mv square by r will be given as qvv sin 90. ये किया था हमने लास्ट क्लास?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So radius of this particle, yes, we did question also. So quickly let's jump to the part which P upon QB, P is the momentum, P को हम लिखते हैं √2m upon QB. K is because of the accelerating potential divided by QB. I'm just answering those two doubts with this concept जो हमने शायद last class में कर लिए थे, but we will again specifically calculate those terms. Time taken to cross the magnetic field. 2 pi r की वैल्यू पुट कर दोगे, mv by qb, vv cancel, time period is 2 pi m by qb which is independent of the speed. So कोई भी particle कितनी भी speed से आए, proton enters with 1 meter per second, 10 meter per second, 100 meter per second, every time it is going to take same time. Speed पे depend नहीं करता, किस पे depend करता है? किस पे depend करता है? Mass to charge ratio. P is proportional to m upon q. Two particles having same charge to mass ratio will take same time to cross. Next is when charged particle moves perpendicular to magnetic field, we have to find the path and we have to find the angle of deviation and we have to find how much time will it take to come out or cross the magnetic field. This also we did yesterday.
Yes, sir. We did all of this.
Yes, sir. फिर तो I think that question should be done. Why I am doing it again? Let me check. Okay, yesterday was 5th. That's for the Tuesday Thursday batch. So we did yeah, angle of deviation. Right. We did all the cases. In fact, we did the helix also. Probably in the weekend.
Yes, sir.
In the weekend batch, the helical path we haven't done. In the Tuesday Thursday batch we did. So Krish, your doubt is related with this और आपने शायद weekend batch में अभी ये नहीं किया. So we will do this in weekend batch. Don't worry.
So मैंने एक और भेजा.
एक और भेजा आपने. कौन? ब्रांच डायरेक्टली ग्रुप में भेज दिया करो, दैट इज बेटर. ओके,
तो ग्रुप में ही भेजा.
ग्रुप में भेजा. अच्छा,
ठीक है.
ओके देन परफेक्ट. दिस वन.
Yes, sir.
Magnetic field is center of circular column radius r into current I flowing into the magnetic field along the
नहीं
axis.
सर, अलग है. ये तो एक साथ है, इससे अलग होगा.
अच्छा, हमने वीकेंड वाले ग्रुप में भेजा. Two particle of charges plus q and minus q are rotated from the same point with velocity in a region uniform magnetic field such that velocity vector makes an angle. This is also helix question. So अभी हम helix पढ़ेंगे weekend वाले batch में. Then we will discuss with the same. ठीक है. So अभी agenda of this class is to discuss this paper जो आपने Sunday को दिया था. कुछ लोगों ने दिया है, कुछ लोगों ने नहीं दिया. मैं एक बार marks list दिखा देता हूँ. In case if you haven't
Sir,
checked.
मत दिखा, अच्छे नहीं आए.
आपके पास वैसे ग्रुप में भी आ चुका है. आई थिंक द रिजल्ट इन द पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट. ओके, आई जस्ट नो फॉर माय ओन these are the test takers and if I Raj Tiwari 120 out of 120, Krish 112, okay, Anurag 108, Saksham 108, Vyom 104, Arnav 88, okay, Manveen 72. नीति, what happened? 3 minutes में आपने पेपर खत्म कर दिया. नीति,
सर एक्चुअली मेरे साथ नेटवर्क इशू हो गया था. 3 मिनट में पेपर खत्म नहीं हुआ. अच्छा,
okay, internet. Dishita attempted paper only in 32 minutes and she scored 112. Dishita, are you there? Dishita? 32 minutes, 112 marks. Okay.
Sir, is there any way I can reappear for the test?
You can go to your account and check, and you can do as a practice. You will find the paper there, question by question. So let's solve as assignment, but now not as a test.
Okay, sir.
जैसे तुम्हारे 120 120 आ सकते हैं. All the doubts today. Rudransh is here with us. He will tell all the doubt. If he is not able to, then I will come into play. Done. इस टेस्ट के बेटे जिसमें आपने 100% स्कोर किया है, 4 ही तो क्या ना, बाकी 26 बता दो, कोई नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. पहला बताओ. चलो पहले में क्या किया. पैरेलल प्लेट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डाउट है किसी का. पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर इज कनेक्टेड टू अ बैटरी. क्वांटिटी इज चार्ज, वोल्टेज, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, एनर्जी given as Q naught, V naught, E naught, U naught. The electric slab is introduced to fill the space with the battery, and corresponding quantity is now given by Q, V, E, and U. Question number 1, doubt. Kanan. Okay. She was here, yes. Question number 1. पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर क्या किया बेटा रुद्रांश इसमें. When the battery remains connected, battery is still in connection, which quantity remains constant? Potential difference. Potential difference is constant. That means the battery is connected, which quantity will remain same always? Potential constant, electric field constant. तो B और C तो हो नहीं सकता. अब आते हैं कैपेसिटर, चार्ज एंड एनर्जी. Charge stored will be Q is equal to C times V. Potential is same, and capacitance has increased. Dielectric डालने पे capacitance हमेशा increase हो जाता है K times. Since potential is same, so charge will become K times. Q dash is K times Q. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So which is the option? K is greater than 1, Q is greater than Q naught. Potential remains same, electric field remains same. Energy, what about energy? Since energy is
Energy
also
also increases, so
that also
back to the
becomes
issue.
K times. Second question. क्या किया रुद्रांश? Explain. इतना टाइम नहीं बेटा, जल्दी. आपने फुल में फुल स्कोर किया है तो देखते याद आना चाहिए क्या किया मैंने इसमें. किसी का डाउट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2? Anurag, you have appeared in this test? Yes, you appeared in this test, right? So you can see that. Yes. Okay. Second question, doubt किसी का?
So can you discuss it once?
No, I'll discuss all the questions, but I just want to.
So I think किया तो था मैंने. I'm not sure how I did it though.
Okay, right. Anurag, sorry, Rudransh, quick. तो मैं ऑनलाइन पेपर आपको. यस देखो सिंपल सा रीजन क्या है. Between these two plates there is a potential difference. In that potential difference, electron starts from rest. Electron is released from rest on the inner surface of first plate, one plate, because of the electric field it requires energy, और उसके बाद हमें बताना है what is the speed when it hits the other plate.
So can I explain how I thought about this question?
Just a second. This will be by work energy theorem. Since there is a potential difference, that will do work. Yes, now you can tell. Now what did you use? Calculated electric field, then force.
I got field from the potential difference
Potential,
into
yes.
the distance thing, and then I got the force and I equated it to half mv square. That's what I did.
Force then multiplied by displacement. That will be work done. That is equal to half.
Oh, okay. Yes, that's the mistake.
Yes. You did F is equal to half mv square, which is technically incorrect. Force multiplied by displacement. So if you do F is equal to QE.
No, so I think so. What I did was instead of this, I did F is equal to ma, and then I divided by m, and then A is the first equation. The second equation लगा के फिर मैंने किया, which got very lengthy.
Third equation. V square is U square plus 2AD because time is not known.
Yes, yes, the third equation.
That is very lengthy. You can directly think potential difference given hai, charge given hai. So the work done in moving from one point to another is Q delta V. From that work done will be equal to change in kinetic energy. समझ आ रहा है? समझ आ रहा है गुरु? तुमको मैं दूसरे टेस्ट दूंगा, रुक जाओ, कल मत दो, इसका नहीं, दूसरे टेस्ट होंगे. इट विल बी अ सरप्राइज टेस्ट फॉर यू. मतलब टॉपिक सेम रहेगा. हाँ, गूगल देवता विल नॉट बी एबल टू हेल्प. यस, right, solve this. You will get the speed. I think options are not very close, so you can do a little approximation also. 9.1 को 9 ले सकते हैं अगर options are not very close. Solve for the value of speed. Now getting the correct answer enough.
1 second, calculate करना.
Always कुछ नहीं अगर strike करता, then the method that you said, any method is fine. That method is best which strikes to you in exam. But obviously you have to
be more efficient.
हाँ बेटा,
एक बार ऑप्शंस दिखा दीजिए.
ऑप्शंस दिखा देता हूँ मैं बिल्कुल. हाँ, 6.49 into 10 to the power 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question. तो आपने पेपर नहीं दिया ये?
No, sir.
Why not?
सर भूल गया था.
अब भूल गया था.
I don't know.
अब अगले वीकेंड से कॉल जाएगी घर पे.
सर कर दो अगली बार से.
बहुत मजे में ले रहे हो तुम लोग. 12th आ गया बेटा, 11 निकल गया इस तरह से. ठीक है, now it's 12th.
So can you explain this?
You couldn't do this in exam?
No, sir, I got confused.
Okay. और किसी का डाउट है ये? Krish, which method we will prefer here? Points connected by wire. They are connected together, so they will be considered same point. 15 and 10 will become in parallel, और ऐसे नीचे 1 and 1 become in parallel. 15 and 10 in parallel become how much?
25.
Let's give Rudransh a chance. Rudransh, continue. इसके बाद क्या करेंगे? हाँ नहीं, पूरा बताओ उसके बाद क्या करना है. ये तो मैंने बता दिया है, दोनों पैरेलल में लिख ही रहे हैं. After that, बोलो तो सही. ओके, रुद्रांश समझ में आ रहा है. अगर आपने क्वेश्चन किए होते अपने आप तो देखते ही चमक जाता है इसमें क्या था. व्हाट डिड आई डू. अबे इसमें फॉर्मूला कहाँ से आ गया. इसमें फॉर्मूला नहीं लगेगा, इसमें कॉन्सेप्ट लगेगा. कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट. पॉइंट्स कनेक्टेड बाय वायर्स आर एट सेम पोटेंशियल. ये दोनों 1 1 हो गए. ऑन द अदर साइड बिकम्स 2 and 2. एंड उसके बाद जब हम इसको रिड्रॉ करेंगे सर्किट को, between A and 1 there is 25 microfarad कैपेसिटर ऊपर की साइड से, और नीचे between A and 2 it is 10 microfarad. Between 1 and 2 there is a 13 microfarad. Between 1 and B ऊपर की साइड है 5, नीचे 2 और B के बीच में 2 microfarad.
Sir,
Now it becomes a balanced Wheatstone bridge. Yes boss, किसी ने पूछा कुछ.
sir, the configuration that you drew on the right actually reminds me of the Wheatstone bridge.
Because it is actually Wheatstone bridge, and that's how it will be solved. Okay, sorry, I think these images discarded. So बाकी continue कर लो. This 13 microfarad will be gone. When this 13 microfarad will be gone, the rest this will be gone. 15 and 10, 25. 1 and 1 becomes 2. 25 by 10 is 5 by 2. ऊपर 25 और 5 सीरीज में आ जाएगा, नीचे 10 और 2 सीरीज में आ जाएगा, फिर दोनों पैरेलल. 25 microfarad, 5 microfarad, 10 microfarad, 2 microfarad. 25 and 5 in series, 10 and 2 in series, and then these two in parallel. 25 and 5 in series, how much?
So 10 by 6.
25 into 5 by 1 by 30. 25 by 6. Similarly, 10 and 2 in series, 10 by 6.
10
So
by
25
6.
by 6 plus 10 by 6 is 35 by 6. It is a Wheatstone bridge, balanced Wheatstone bridge. But to see the Wheatstone bridge, first we need to use points connected by wires are at same potential. And then we will remove this, we will redraw the circuit to check the Wheatstone bridge. And that Wheatstone bridge 13 microfarad is removed from the circuit. Right? Okay, next. जिन लोगों ने टेस्ट नहीं दिया है, आगे से अगर आप टेस्ट नहीं देते हैं, then there will be a call. और अगर any other emergency is there before exam, before test, you have to give the prior information, and I will not give a slot. It will be only one fixed time for the paper. So you are muted. Okay, so there are two capacitors C and 4C. They are connected और हमें क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? लॉस इन एनर्जी, हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड. हीट प्रोड्यूस के लिए हमने एक फॉर्मूला किया था. टू कैपेसिटर शेयरिंग ऑफ चार्जेस में, व्हेन टू कैपेसिटर्स आर कनेक्टेड टुगेदर, दोनों की पॉजिटिव प्लेट आपस में कनेक्ट करें तो एक फॉर्मूला था, एंड द अदर वन वाज व्हेन द पॉजिटिव इज कनेक्टेड टू द नेगेटिव ऑफ अदर. क्या था फॉर्मूला बेटे? हीट लॉस 120 आउट ऑफ 120. बताओ फॉर्मूला फॉर हीट लॉस. Formula for heat loss when the two capacitors share the charges. इस वही लाया नहीं. हाँ. Half C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 square. जब दोनों की likewise प्लेट को आपस में कनेक्ट करते हैं, पॉजिटिव प्लेट्स, और जब एक ही पॉजिटिव को दूसरे के नेगेटिव से कनेक्ट करते हैं तो क्या था फॉर्मूला? दिस P2 विल बिकम नेगेटिव हाफ C1 C2 डिवाइडेड बाय C1 plus C2 into
V1 plus V2.
V1 plus V2 whole square. Right, so what is the answer? This was क्या है फॉर्मूला? सॉल्व करो. लो क्या है आंसर? In this case, V1 is V, V2 is 4V, C1 is C, and C2 is 2C. Find this formula. The second formula, जब हम एक ही पॉजिटिव को दूसरे के नेगेटिव से कनेक्ट करते हैं, एनर्जी ज्यादा लॉस होती है, हीट ज्यादा लॉस होती है. V1 is एक का पॉजिटिव दूसरे का नेगेटिव, there will be more loss of energy, इसलिए V1 plus V2 whole square. क्या है आंसर? हाफ C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2 into V1 plus V2 whole square. So this becomes 125 by 3. 125 by 3. That's the answer.
So how is it 125? It's 25 by
25.
25 by 3
CV square. So yes, 125 by 3. Yes, that's the option. अगर आपको फॉर्मूला याद नहीं है तो क्या करना था? हमें फाइनल चार्ज से फाइनल एनर्जी, इनिशियल चार्ज से इनिशियल एनर्जी. लॉस इज ऑलवेज इनिशियल माइनस फाइनल.
Yes.
Calculate the total loss in energy. Number, okay, let me check the analytics. 21 में 16 लोगों ने अटेम्प्ट किया था, 13 का करेक्ट है. Okay. Next question number 5. In the given circuit, the point C is connected to the earth and a potential of 2000 volt is given to point A. Find the potential of point B. Rudransh, method. सॉल्व बाद में करना, मेथड बताओ, लॉजिक क्या यूज किया आपने? Point A का potential 2000 है, point C का potential है 0. So if we join them together, there can be we can assume a battery of 2000 volt connected in between. 10 and 10 in series, how much? 5. ये 5 और नीचे 10 के साथ पैरेलल में 15, then 15 and 5 in series. 15 and 5 in series become 15 by 4 microfarad.
Yes, sir.
So the total charge which has been delivered by this battery is C equivalent into V, 15 by 4 into 2000, which becomes 7500 microcoulomb. Potential difference between A and B across any capacitor, potential का formula Q by C, and this will be VA minus VB. So 7500 by 5, it will become 1500 volt. A का potential है 2000, B का potential निकालना है, so it will come out 500 volt. Potential of point B is 500 volt.
Yes, sir.
गांस बेटे पोल खुल रही है तुम्हारी.
Yes, sir.
When
500
dielectric
volt
medium, हाँ
So 500 ही आया.
500 आएगा यार, जो मेथड सही कर रहे हैं. When the dielectric medium of constant K is filled with a plate of charged plate condenser, then the energy stored becomes as compared to its previous value. Condenser means capacitor, so there is a charged capacitor. Already हमने इसको charge दे रखा है, and then there is a battery, there is a dielectric inserted. What will happen to the energy? So since it is charged already, battery is disconnected, the total charge remains constant. Energy का formula होगा Q square by 2C. Since charge is same, capacitance increases K times. Capacitance becomes K times, so energy will become 1 by K times. Answer is C, K inverse.
So over here I used E is equal to half CV square, and that
But-
led me to D option.
We cannot
So constant कुछ
say
और.
that potential is constant, right? क्योंकि इसमें capacitor already charged है, और उसके बाद हमने उसमें battery dielectric डाली है without the battery being in the picture.
Okay, so there's
अब
no
capacitor
battery.
battery is not there. Capacitor को charge करके battery हटा दी.
Okay, so
Right.
so in this case charge remains constant, but potential
This
difference is.
charge will remain constant if battery is connected, then only potential will be constant. Try the next one. So the next question, the 91 plate, इसमें थोड़ी सी ना language missing है. In fact, it
So
says there are
interval 90 होंगे.
हाँ बेटा,
बीच में 90 होंगे.
बीच
Plates
में
के बीच.
90 होंगे, लेकिन उनका connection again is not given how they are connected. If they are just placed side by side, there are 91 plates. 91 plates के बीच में 90 gaps तो होंगे, but if they are just side by side, तो वो सीरीज में assume करेंगे या पैरेलल में? then we will assume, like suppose there are 5 plates, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many capacitors are there?
4.
5 प्लेट के बीच में कितने कैपेसिटर बनते हैं बेटे? If there are 5 plate, how many capacitors? 4.
4.
गैप में कैपेसिटर्स हैं, बीच के सारे होंगे. ये क्वेश्चन गलत है क्योंकि तुम्हारा आंसर सही है, बिकॉज में थोड़ी सी मिसिंग है. कुछ क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन मिसिंग है? अगर ये सपोज ऐसे रखे हुए हैं साइड बाय साइड, देन हाउ आर दीज 4 कैपेसिटर्स कनेक्टेड? Series or parallel? How do we decide? How do we decide whether these capacitors are in series or parallel? If they have same charge, then series.
Series.
सब में same charge होगा, इधर प्लस क्यू माइनस क्यू, नहीं प्लस क्यू माइनस क्यू, so they have same charge. So ये 90 कैपेसिटर्स होंगे, वो सारे के सारे सीरीज में, और सीरीज में लगाने पे इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस आ जाएगा C/90. करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
अब तुम एक्सप्लेन ना करो, सब समझ में आ चुका है हमें. अब राइट. सो इक्विवेलेंट कितना आएगा? अगर A का है 3, so 3/90 picofarad, that should be the answer. 1/30. So this option is not here.
So how is it 270 in the test?
No, 270 would have been when the alternate plates are connected. ये question जो है, there are 91 plates, alternate plates. 1 is connected to 3, is connected to 5, is connected to 7, and so on. And the other plate, even plates are connected together, odd plates are connected together. It will make sure that they are at the same potential, 1, 4, 6, 90. So when alternate plates are connected together, the potential difference between each one of them is same. Then all these 90 capacitors will be in series, and then it will be in parallel, and then it will become equivalent capacitance as 90 times C. Right?
Yes, sir.
So इसका आंसर इसमें से नहीं है. ये तब होता है जब ये अल्टरनेट प्लेट्स कनेक्टेड होते हैं, लेकिन इसमें ऐसा कुछ लिखा नहीं है. They are arranged with some spacing between them. That's it. तो पैरेलल होते alternate connected में नहीं है ना लिखा गया. It's not mentioned that alternate plates are connected. Right. Next, a parallel plate capacitor of capacitance C is connected to a cell of EMF V and then disconnected from it. पहले हमने कैपेसिटर को चार्ज किया है, उसके बाद बैटरी हटा दी, which means the charge remains constant. Now a dielectric slab of dielectric constant K, which can just fill the air gap, is inserted. Which of the following is correct? Is incorrect. Sorry, not correct. Is incorrect. Change in energy stored. पहले थी half CV square, बाद में हो गई half CV square by K. Because here the energy will reduce. Q is equal to CV. Q square by 2C initial energy, क्योंकि बैटरी हमने हटा रखी है. So we'll use that formula when charge remains constant. Initial energy was Q square by 2C. Final energy is Q square by 2KC. So the change will be final minus initial. That will become half C. Q को हम CV put कर लेंगे बाद में. Charge on the capacitor is not conserved. Charge will remain conserved. The potential difference between the plate decreases K times. V is equal to Q by C. Q is same. Charge becomes K times Q upon KC. The energy stored in the capacitor decreases K times. Obviously, it decreases K times. So incorrect option is B only. Air-filled capacitor has capacitance 1 picofarad. Separation between the plate is doubled and wax is inserted within the plate. The capacitance becomes 2. What is the dielectric constant of wax? पहले epsilon naught A by D is 1. Epsilon naught A by D is 1. K epsilon naught A and distance is doubled is equal to 2 picofarad. Epsilon naught A by D की वैल्यू है 1, so K by 2 is 2 picofarad. K की वैल्यू आ गई 4. Next. 4 large metal plates are given charge as shown. The middle two are then connected through the wire. Find the charge that will flow through the wire. इधर अगर Q है, what is the total charge? What is the total charge in the system? Total charge कितना है?
-4Q.
Minus 4Q. By using the parallel plate theory concept, total का half. The half of the total will be on the outermost surfaces. So minus 4Q half करोगे, minus 2Q and minus 2Q. अब ये Q था, so on the other side it will become plus 3Q. Plus 3Q induces minus 3Q on the inner side. Total charge is how much? Total charge is plus 2Q.
-4.
Plus 2Q ना on the second plate.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Minus 3Q का मतलब इधर आ जाएगा 5Q and this 5Q. ये तो अब उसमें कनेक्टेड ही है, तो ये सारा का सारा 5Q इधर आ जाएगा. These two are connected. Now 5Q and minus 3Q become 2Q plus 2Q. This will be 0 and 0. इन दोनों के बीच में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नहीं होगी because they are connected together, no potential difference, so the surfaces will not have any charge. इधर minus 3Q, on the other side will become plus 2Q. डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते थे, on the system of these two plates connected together, total charge is minus. एक साइड में minus 3Q आएगा, दूसरी साइड में plus 2Q आएगा, so that total charge on this system of the two plates connected together remains minus Q only. और ये plus 2Q सामने वाले पे minus 2Q इंड्यूस करेगा, बाहर minus 2Q आएगा. So प्लेट A पे चार्ज अगर ये वायर कनेक्टेड नहीं होता तो कितना था 5Q, अभी कितना है 0. So 5Q का चार्ज A से B की तरफ मूव कर जाएगा and then between these two plates which are connected together by wire, potential is same, no electric field, no charge. Whole charge of 5Q will go from A to B. Got it? पहले हमने पैरेलल प्लेट थ्योरी से हर एक सरफेस पे चार्ज निकाल लिया. नाउ सिंस A and B आर कनेक्टेड टुगेदर, सेम हो जाएगा, दोनों के बीच में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0 हो जाएगी, यानी दोनों के बीच में कोई चार्ज नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज़ इफ देयर इज अ चार्ज देयर विल बी सम पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आल्सो सिग्मा बाय 2 एप्सिलॉन नॉट. सारा चार्ज जो सरफेस पे था वो A से निकल के B के अंदर आ जाएगा, सो दिस विल बी डिवाइडेड minus 3Q, 5Q बाहर आ जाएगा, 5Q और minus 3Q मिलके हो गया plus 2Q. Plus 2Q will be on the right side of this third plate. Logic clear? Logic clear?
Yes, sir.
One plate of capacitor is connected to a spring as shown. Area of both the plate is A. The steady state separation between the plate is 0.8 times D. When the capacitor was uncharged, the force constant of the spring is.
Can you explain this?
Yeah. We did the formula for force between the two plates of the capacitor. एक पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है, दूसरे पे नेगेटिव चार्ज होता है. The plates of the capacitor exert force on each other. When it was uncharged, the distance was D. Now, because of charging, because of being charged, one plate positive and the negative, वो आपस में attract करेंगे and the distance will become 0.8 d, d से कम हो गया 0.8 d. So what is the total change or what is the elongation in the spring? 0.2 d. d में से ये इधर वापस आ गया. So spring has a force kx और ये दोनों एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. F is equal to k times x. That force which is applied between the plates of the capacitor will be balanced by the spring force. क्या था फॉर्मूला बेटे फोर्स का रुद्रांश? Force between two plates of a capacitor. What was the formula? Silent plate capacitor. Q square upon 2
epsilon naught.
X will become 0.2 times d. ये पहले था d और बाद में हो गया वो 0.8 times. इसका आंसर आ रहा है. अच्छा हमें k निकालना है. Q square but Q is PV epsilon naught A by D. फोर्स आ गया Q square by 2 epsilon naught. उसको हम 0.2 times dk के इक्वल कर देते हैं. So 20 by 4 which becomes 10 by 4 which becomes 5 by 2. A is the option. Got it? ये समझ में आ गया ना क्या किया था? Force between the plates of the capacitor is balanced by the spring force here. So ये नीचे 2 into 0.2 will become 0.4. 0.4 means 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is 5 by 2. Are now understood?
Yes, sir.
Question number 12. Capacitance of capacitor C is charged by battery EMF E. Capacitor is now disconnected and reconnected to the same battery with polarity reverse. The heat energy developed in connecting the wire. What was the formula for heat energy developed in any circuit? Work done by battery minus change in energy. Work done by battery कैसे निकालते थे हम? How much charge the battery has supplied into the potential of battery. Initially जिस तरह से charge किया था हमने, now the polarity is reversed. If the polarity is reversed, yes, capacitance of capacitor C is charged by connecting a battery of E. Capacitor is now disconnected. तो कैपेसिटर को पहले हमने चार्ज किया और फिर बैटरी को उल्टा करके लगा दिया. So initially if it has a charge of plus CE on the right side, left side पे minus CE. When it is opposite, plus CE and minus CE. So energy wise, so it has same energy, but द चार्ज प्रोवाइडेड बाय द बैटरी। बैटरी ने क्या किया है अभी चार्ज, जहां पे पहले माइनस सी था वहां पे प्लस सी हो गया। सो व्हाट इज द टोटल चार्ज प्रोवाइडेड बाय द बैटरी इज 2Ce। टोटल चार्ज प्रोवाइडेड बाय द बैटरी इज 2Ce। हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड का फॉर्मूला हुआ करता है वर्क डन बाय बैटरी माइनस लॉस इन एनर्जी माइनस चेंज इन एनर्जी rather. So work done by battery is Q into E. Q is equal to 2Ce Q into V. एनर्जी तो इनिशियल फाइनल सेम है बिकॉज चार्ज सेम है। डजेंट मैटर कि वो लेफ्ट में पॉजिटिव राइट में नेगेटिव है, राइट में पॉजिटिव लेफ्ट में नेगेटिव है, बिकॉज एनर्जी में पोलरिटी डजेंट मैटर, इट इज स्केलर क्वांटिटी Q स्क्वायर बाय 2C। वर्क डन सॉरी हीट लॉस इज 2C स्क्वायर। Question number 13 next. Potential difference between the plate of capacitor increased by 20%, energy stored on the capacitor is increased by। पोटेंशियल को अगर 20% बढ़ाते हैं तो एनर्जी कितने टाइम्स बढ़ जाती है। पोटेंशियल अगर 20% बढ़ाते हैं, नहीं पोटेंशियल पहले से कितना हो गया, पोटेंशियल हो गया 1 का 1.2। एनर्जी इज हाफ CV स्क्वायर, एनर्जी हाफ CV स्क्वायर, हाफ CV स्क्वायर में पोटेंशियल इज इंक्रीज बाय 0.2%। 0.2% का मतलब हो गया इट हैज बिकम 1.2। एनर्जी इज हाफ CV स्क्वायर, 1.2 का स्क्वायर होता है 1.44, so energy becomes 1.44 times। पोटेंशियल 20% बढ़ाया मतलब 1 का 1.2 V से 1.2 V हो गया। एनर्जी इज हाफ CV स्क्वायर, so that become 1.44। So every Friday we'll discuss such questions or test papers, और ये टेस्ट पेपर अभी बहुत सारे मिलेंगे आपको ऐसे ऑनलाइन प्लस ऑफलाइन। ऑफलाइन का मतलब जब यहाँ होगे तब। And I will also share the worksheet, the CBSE worksheet, which were prepared by the NCERT teachers few years back. So, जी मेंस में लेवल 1 और लेवल 3 का डिफरेंस है। नीट लेवल 1, जे लेवल 3। नीट और एडवांस में लेवल 1 और लेवल 10 का इतना ज्यादा। Question was what is the difference between the physics level of NEET and JEE? पोटेंशियल को हमने 20% बढ़ा दिया, V में 20%, so that become 1.2 V. So the energy which is half CV square 1.2 square times हो जाएगी। 1.2 is 1.44, so that means energy has increased by 44%। Energy will increase by 44% because potential has increased by 20%. Next. Spherical capacitor has a sphere of radius 12 centimeter, outer is 13 centimeter. Outer is Earth, inner is given a charge. Space between concentric sphere is filled with the liquid or directed. Determine the potential of the inner surface. Charge पता है, capacitance निकाल लेते हैं. Q by C will be equal to delta V. Outer one is Earth, so outer का तो potential 0 ही हो जाएगा. One second, I got logged out. Let me log in. हाँ बेटा कुछ इंटरनेट इश्यू से I got logged out. So let's check again. कहाँ पर थे हम? Yes, this question we were discussing. Spherical capacitor के capacitance का formula था 4 pi epsilon naught R1 R2 divided by R2 minus R1. Capacitance पता है हमें और charge भी पता है. So from the value of charge, Q by C is equal to delta V. Delta V because the outer one is Earth, इसका potential तो 0 हो जाएगा. Inner का potential है V. Capacitance is 4 pi epsilon naught R1 R2 divided by R2 minus R1. R1 is 12 centimeter और इसमें एक dielectric भी है. So we'll also multiply with the dielectric constant 4 pi epsilon naught K. 4 pi epsilon naught की value 1 upon 9 to 10 raised to power 9. Q is 2.5 microcoulomb 10 to the power minus 6 divided by C. C will be okay. So yes, spherical capacitor inner radius 12, outer radius 13. We can calculate the capacitance. From the capacitance, Q by C is equal to delta V. Final potential, outer का potential 0 and inner का potential हम calculate कर लेंगे. By using this formula. Next, question number 15. Space between the two plates of a capacitor condenser is filled longitudinally with two dielectric medium, each of dielectric thickness d by 2. दो प्लेट्स के बीच में द कैपेसिटर we have to find the resultant dielectric constant. So if there are longitudinally means one after another, there is K1 and K2. These two are there. और इन दोनों को हम कंसीडर कर सकते हैं now in series. So there are two dielectrics, two capacitors filled. Two capacitors filled with dielectric और दोनों का combination कैसा है? Series combination. K1 and K2 they are connected in series. So 1 upon C equivalent is 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 और equivalent capacitance के लिए हम दोनों को आपस में एक कर देंगे and then we assume that there is only one dielectric is kept जिसका dielectric constant है K equivalent. C equivalent आ जाएगा K equivalent epsilon naught A by D और C1 आ जाएगा K1 epsilon naught A divided by D by 2. C2 will be K2 epsilon naught A divided by D by 2. Substitute the value of C1 and C2 and calculate K equivalent. So 1 upon C equivalent कितना आएगा? 1 by K equivalent. 1 upon K equivalent इधर से 2 by 1 by 2 K1 plus 1 by 2 K2. ऐसे मिलोगे फर्स्ट ऑप्शन आ जाएगा K equivalent. The dielectric constant of this overall combination we can calculate by assuming only one dielectric, not two different dielectric in between this gap. Okay, this one is very tricky. ये JEE Mains 2019 का है. CBSE में chances rarely है, but ठीक है. एक दो क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी होने चाहिए जिसमें धुआं भी निकले दिमाग से. किसी ने किया था एक मिनट चेक करने दो एनालिटिक्स ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. 12 लोगों ने अटेम्प्ट किया, 5 लोगों का करेक्ट है. वेरी गुड. ओके, इसमें बहुत सारे अप्रोक्सीमेशन लगेंगे. इंटीग्रेशन करना है और अप्रोक्सीमेशन के साथ. सो बेटे तुम कहानी मत बताओ, ठीक है, हम करेंगे, समझ लेना. Right, a condenser of capacity C1 has potential electrostatic energy is U0. It is connected to another charge of C2. Find the energy dissipated in the process. ठीक है, ये कुछ आगे वाले क्वेश्चन हम नेक्स्ट टाइम पे करते हैं. ये अच्छे क्वेश्चन हैं. अच्छे मतलब इट विल टेक टाइम एंड वी विल डिस्कस दिस इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. आप एक बार अपना फिर से ट्राई करना चाहो, यू गिव योर अटेम्प्ट वंस अगेन एंड वी विल सेम क्वेश्चन. अच्छा नहीं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है. ठीक है, we will discuss these questions. जो बचे हुए एक बार दोबारा ट्राई करेंगे and we'll discuss next time. Tomorrow Sunday's class, weekend class, we will do the angle of deviation and the helical path. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.